Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let's learn the beginner's guide on how to learn Spanish quickly and fluently. If you're ready to embark on a journey into captivating world of Spanish language and culture, you are in for a treat. Let's kickstart this exciting process with a step-by-step plan that harnesses the power of ChatGPT. To start, open your browser and head over to chat.openai.com, the home of the amazing ChatGPT platform. If you are new here, don't worry. Check out the link video below for a seamless account setup. Step number 1. Begin with a clear goal. Decide how proficient you want to become in Spanish. Having a goal gives you learning a direction. Step number 2. Dive into conversation with ChatGPT. Practice dialogues, ask about grammar, and even explore creative writing. ChatGPT is your friendly practice partner. Step number 3. Make it interactive. Engage with ChatGPT as if you are chatting with a language buddy. This interactive practice enhances your skills. Step number 4. Embrace mistakes. ChatGPT corrects your grammar and suggests better phrasing. Learning from errors is a key to improvement. Step number 5. Immerse yourself. Listen to podcasts, watch videos, and read in Spanish. Surrounding yourself with the language accelerates your learning. Step number 6. And lo and behold, learning Spanish with ChatGPT is a dynamic, personalized journey that boosts your fluency. So, are you ready to embark on this language adventure? Start today and watch your Spanish skills bloom. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.